What if I told you that the right breakfast could help you fight aging and feel younger? Stay tuned for the top 3 breakfast choices. Breakfast is, without a doubt, the most important meal of the day, especially for those of us over 60. Choosing the right foods can help tackle key health issues like heart health, blood sugar control, cognitive function, and bone health. Today, we'll reveal the top 3 breakfast foods that everyone over 60 should eat every day to promote healthy aging. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips. First up, let's talk about oatmeal with berries and nuts. Oatmeal is a fantastic breakfast choice, especially for people over 60, because it's rich in soluble fiber, particularly a type called beta-glucan. This type of fiber forms a gel-like substance in your digestive tract that binds to cholesterol, helping to remove it from the body. Numerous studies have shown that consuming beta-glucan regularly can significantly lower levels of LDL, or bad cholesterol, which is crucial for reducing the risk of heart disease, a major health concern as we age. Additionally, oatmeal's fiber content helps stabilize blood sugar levels by slowing the digestion and absorption of carbohydrates. This can prevent spikes in blood sugar, which is especially important for those managing or looking to prevent diabetes. Eating oatmeal regularly can promote a sense of fullness, reducing the temptation to snack on less healthy options throughout the day. To make your oatmeal even more powerful, add a handful of berries, such as blueberries, strawberries, or raspberries. Berries are rich in antioxidants like vitamin C and flavonoids, which are natural compounds that help combat oxidative stress in the body. Oxidative stress contributes to aging and the development of many chronic diseases, including heart disease, diabetes, and certain types of cancer. The antioxidants in berries can support your immune health and protect your cells from damage, keeping you feeling and looking younger. For an extra boost, toss in some nuts, such as almonds or walnuts. Nuts are packed with healthy fats, particularly monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, which can help improve cholesterol levels by raising HDL, good cholesterol, while lowering LDL, bad cholesterol. They also provide protein and fiber, which contribute to a feeling of fullness or satiety, helping you stay satisfied longer and potentially reducing your overall calorie intake throughout the day. Moreover, nuts contain important nutrients like magnesium, which supports bone health, and vitamin E, which protects the skin from oxidative damage and helps keep your skin looking healthy. Altogether, oatmeal with berries and nuts is a nutrient-dense breakfast that supports heart health, blood sugar control, immune function, and satiety, making it a great choice for anyone over 60 looking to maintain a healthy lifestyle. The fiber in oatmeal and nuts helps reduce cholesterol levels, which can lower the risk of heart disease. Oatmeal has a low glycemic index, and nuts help slow carbohydrate absorption, both of which help stabilize blood sugar levels. Berries are rich in antioxidants that help reduce inflammation and may improve brain function and reduce the risk of cognitive decline. Start your day with this wonderful breakfast to living well over 60. Next on our top 3 list, Greek yogurt with fresh fruits and seeds. Greek yogurt is a fantastic breakfast choice for those over 60 because it's packed with protein, which is vital for maintaining and repairing muscle mass, an important factor as muscle naturally tends to decline with age. Beyond protein, Greek yogurt is rich in probiotics, the beneficial bacteria that help maintain a healthy gut, supporting digestion and overall well-being. Adding fresh fruits like berries or sliced apples to your Greek yogurt boosts your intake of essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber, all of which are important for maintaining health as you age. For an extra health kick, sprinkle in some chia seeds or flax seeds. These seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids and additional fiber, which support both heart and brain health by reducing inflammation and improving cholesterol levels. Altogether, this combination provides a powerful mix of nutrients to support several key areas, such as bone health. Greek yogurt is an excellent source of calcium and vitamin D, essential for maintaining bone density and preventing osteoporosis. Digestive health. The probiotics in Greek yogurt help maintain a healthy gut microbiome, which is crucial for proper digestion. Heart health. The omega-3 fatty acids from seeds can help reduce inflammation and lower the risk of cardiovascular disease. Start your day with Greek yogurt, fresh fruits, and seeds to support strong bones, a healthy gut, and a happy heart, all key to living well over 60. Last on our list, eggs with whole grain toast and avocado. Eggs are a powerhouse breakfast food and an excellent choice for people over 60. They're a complete source of protein, providing all the essential amino acids your body needs to maintain and repair muscle mass, something that becomes increasingly important as we age. Beyond protein, eggs are rich in choline, a nutrient that supports brain function and memory, potentially helping to reduce the risk of cognitive decline over time. They also contain vitamin D, which is crucial for bone health, aiding in calcium absorption to keep bones strong and reduce the risk of fractures. Pair your eggs with whole grain toast for a boost of complex carbohydrates and fiber. These whole grains help provide sustained energy and contribute to lowering cholesterol levels, which is vital for maintaining heart health. Adding avocado to the mix introduces a dose of healthy fats, particularly monounsaturated fats, which further support heart health by reducing bad cholesterol (LDL) levels and raising good cholesterol (HDL) levels. Together, this combination, eggs, whole grain toast, and avocado, creates a well-rounded breakfast that supports muscle maintenance, brain health, and cardiovascular function, helping you start your day off right and promoting long-term wellness. It's a breakfast that truly sets you up for a great day. To wrap things up, these 3 breakfast foods provide a balanced mix of nutrients to support heart health, bone density, blood sugar control, and cognitive function for those over 60. Starting your day with these healthy options can make a big difference in your aging journey and overall well-being, so why not give it a try? And if you found this information helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more valuable health content.